Hi everyone! Welcome back to another Minecraft video. It is called The Prison Break. This is it is a do you raid the bank and the story. In the past, your brother Wright Cooper tried to rob the bank from Minecraft, but he failed and got caught by the police. That's why he's in the prison called Fox River Street now. Mike Cooper, decided to free your brother because you want to raid the bank to buy a new house, and he knows the code to enter the bank. You create the master plan to how you will go on. First mission: go to the supermarket and fail the raid. To get into the prison, for sure and the fast way, go follow the compass in the chest to get to the supermarket. Rules: plain peaceful. Rules: don't break blocks, place blocks at least told so. Map paid by Joel and Janek. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Compass supermarket. Wait. Oh, it's okay. Wait. Oh, it's a supermarket. 100 coins. Each door 50 coins. Mission 2. Steal the money from the cash register and press the button to call the police. In that way, you get into the prison. Officer, do you think would that easy? Ha ha ha. Wait a minute.